Rapide Strata is an ion exchange technology that comprises a 2-bed deionizer or a 3-bed deionizers that is known as Rapide Strata Plus. Both are able to produce highly purified water for a range of industrial applications. It has the unique designs that offer savings up to 40% on operational and wastewater costs compared to the conventional deionization systems. There are two models available for which the flow ranges from 2 to 60 m3 per hour that can be applied in industrial process water, boiler feed, cooling towers as well as surface finishing. With Rapide Strata, downtime is minimized, bacteria control is enhanced, together with efficient usage of chemicals as well as simultaneous dual regeneration process of cation and ion. As a skid-mounted and fully pre-commissioned system, the overall installation cost and time for startup is lower. In addition, Rapide Strata is a fully automated system with minimal operational requirement. Rapide Strata has a stratified anion bed, which is a unique combination of an ion resin that has the capability of an efficient organic removal and tolerance as well as excellent removal of anions. It has the innovative pulse counter flow regeneration sequence in which, during regeneration, the chemicals are pulsed onto the cation and ion resin. This enhances the resin cleaning by having greater removal of ions and impurities. Standard regeneration time for Rapide Strata takes about 35 to 55 minutes, as well as for Rapide Strata Plus, it takes about 35 to 80 minutes. As a proven technology for more than 25 years covering a wide range of applications, Rapide Strata is a reliable system with an efficiency process that produces high water quality to meet the specific water needs.